Advisors for President Biden and former President Donald Trump say it's time to focus on the general election. But Trump is still talking about his rival for the Republican nomination. Former South Carolina Governor Nikki Haley is talking to voters, too, and focusing on her home state. She is behind and could use a home state win, although polls indicate she's struggling.
Americans continue to feel a bit better about the economy. A survey by the Federal Bank of New York says the proportion of people who think their finances will improve over the next year is now at its highest level since the summer of 2021. It also shows our expectations about inflation are at their lowest point in nearly 3 years.
An emergency program set up to help banks struggling after last year's collapse of Silicon Valley Bank will wind down in March. The Federal Reserve's Bank Term Funding Program had offered loans to banks at low interest rates to keep them funded.
Ford is now recalling around 2 million older Explorer SUVs. The issue is a clip that's supposed to hold body trim near the windshield in place that could fail, sending that trim flying. The recall affects Explorers from the 2011 through 2019 model years.
There's a new police policy for Ring doorbell cams. The company says it will stop taking requests from police departments for video captured by the devices for investigations. Ring has been under fire for the practice by privacy advocates. The policy change takes effect this week.
Halion Healthcare is recalling 8 lots of Robitussin syrups due to microbial contamination. They include adult versions of CF Max Day and Honey CF Max Nighttime. The contaminated products have expiration dates of this year or the next, and their lot numbers are on the FDA website.
A change is coming to financial aid applications, but it may be worth the wait for many students. The Department of Education is adjusting this year's FAFSA, the form students use to apply for Pell Grants and federal student loans. While there may be a delay, it could also release an additional $1.8 billion in financial aid.
TikTok may be paving the way for creators to post longer videos, setting the stage for tougher competition with YouTube. TikTok is reportedly testing 30-minute uploads, a major jump from its current 10-minute limit. A half-hour option would also make it possible for networks to post entire episodes at once.
Tonight, there's a new episode of Know My Neighborhood, and this time we're focusing on the Harlandale-McCollum area. Steve Spriester, Myra Arthur, Adam Caskey, and the rest of our KSAT team will be live during the 6 o'clock news, featuring stories we've done about this Southside neighborhood. Tune in for that tonight at 6, as well as online and on KSAT Plus. And that's today's 9 at 9.
Keep up to date with all of San Antonio's top news, weather, and so much more by clicking the like and subscribe buttons below. And once again, thanks for watching KSAT.